Hello students, today I will explain the rules for filling the electrons in the orbital in an atom. In the previous video we have completed the topic orbital concept, as there is an atom in which there are various number of cells on the circular path around the nucleus where electrons are exist. Clear? These are the cells 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these cells are further divided into subcell as n equals to 1. First cell is divided in s orbital only. When n equals to 2 means it has two cells, two subcell s and p, and 3 it has three subcell S, P, D, means the n means number of shell and which give the number of subcell also, S, P, D and F. Means suppose there are n cell, that means the subcell will be n. It is clear? Now today our topic is rules for filling of orbital electron in an atom. First rule is Aufbau rule. According to this rule, electrons are filling in the increasing order of energy level. According to the Bohr model, we have already discussed as the electron having angular momentum h upon 2 pi, and for the particular cell it will be nh upon 2 pi. The atom electron having this angular momentum can move in n cell. Suppose the value of n equals to 5, that will be 5h upon 2 pi. That means the electron which have this type of angular momentum can rotate, can revolve in fifth cell only. अगर उसको फिफ्थ सेल से अंदर या बाहर कहीं जाना है तो उसका एनर्जी चेंज होगा उस टाइम पर. ठीक है, मीन्स अब यहाँ देखेंगे हम अकॉर्डिंग टू अबाउ रूल द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर एंटर इन द इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ एनर्जी लेवल. मीन्स एनर्जी लेवल इंक्रीजिंग फ्रॉम इनसाइड टू आउटसाइड. दिस इज द इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ एनर्जी लेवल. मीन्स सबसे पहले इलेक्ट्रॉन जाएगा फर्स्ट सेल में, आफ्टर दैन सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ. Now there is another concept here that these cells are divided into subcell also. Means अगर S है, सेकेंड सेल है, it will be divided into S and P. दो सेल यहाँ पर होगी, थर्ड सेल है तो ये तीन सेल का कॉन्सेप्ट है. इन फोर्थ सेल it will be fourth cell. Okay. Now there is a sequence according to Aufbau rule which is given here, that first of all electron will fill in 1s orbital as you may see in the circle, then 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, then 4s. It is clear? Now Aufbau can show, ये तो हो गया इलेक्ट्रॉन फिलिंग. हमारे अकॉर्डिंग क्या है कि हम कह रहे हैं कि 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन विल बी फिल्ड 3s, 3p एंड 3d डायरेक्टली. उसके बाद फोर्थ सेल में जाना चाहिए. बट Aufbau एक्सप्लेन दैट द 4s एनर्जी लेवल इज स्मॉलर दैन 3d एनर्जी लेवल. इट इज़ द एनर्जी लेवल 4s हैज़ द लेसर एनर्जी इन कंपैरिजन ऑफ 3d. और अभी हमने कहा कि इलेक्ट्रॉन आर एंटर इन द इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ एनर्जी लेवल. मीन्स सब पहले इलेक्ट्रॉन 4s में जाएगा, आफ्टर देन इट विल मूव इनटू द 3d. इट इज़ क्लियर? फॉर द सेम कंडीशन ऑफ 5s and 4d, as 5s has the lesser energy in comparison of 4d, that means electron fill in 5s firstly and after then it will go into the 4d orbital. It is clear? Next is, our next rule is Pauli exclusion principle. According to Pauli exclusion principle, before explaining the Pauli rule, we came to know about the orbital. There is an orbital. For suppose we have taken the s orbital here and there is an orbital For p, there are 3 suborbital, as we already discussed in the previous video, that means px, py, pz. There are 3 orbital. For the case of d, it has 5 orbitals. Okay, means these are the suborbitals. Now there is a question for the entering of electron in one suborbital. Only 2 electron can exist, either in upward direction और in downward direction. ठीक है, उससे अलावा कोई डायरेक्शन इसकी होगी नहीं. ऐसे नहीं कि डायगोनली हो जाएगा. या तो अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में इलेक्ट्रॉन होगा, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन है तो अपवर्ड में होगा, 2 हैं तो एक अपवर्ड और एक डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में होता है. सपोज देयर इज अ केस ऑफ p suborbital, then it contain only 6 electrons, as one suborbital contain only 2 electron. It is the rule by given Pauli. Next rule is Hund rule. Okay, according to Hund rule, when electron are filled, suppose there is a p1, when electron are filled in the suborbitals, they move like this. Suppose p1 है तो it will be filled in the first orbital. p2 के लिए firstly it will occupy single place, उसके बाद पेयरिंग स्टार्ट होती है. ठीक है, सपोज आई एम सेइंग फॉर p4, दैट मीन्स द इलेक्ट्रॉन फिलिंग लाइक दिस 1 2 3, and after then pairing will be start. Firstly electron occupy the place singly, after then they will occupy the pairing. It is clear. There are 3 rules for the filling of electron in the orbitals in an atom. After this topic, in next video I will explain the topic electronic configuration. So you have to prepare for this. Okay class, have a nice day.